Hello everyone! Welcome back! Remember this video where I shared my journey of moving out to my old place and finally renting out a one room here in Toronto for the first time. I told you that I'm gonna show you a room tour, but 6 months later life happened, a lot of things happened. I didn't have the time to organize my room as much and also film the video. So now I have another good news. I will be moving out from this room that I loved and enjoyed so much, and I will be moving into a one-bedroom apartment. It is not my plan entirely to move out this quick, but I am grateful for my time here and the neighborhood and just the space that I have here. I am so happy about this, and I'm also grateful that I am able to find a place of my own for an apartment. Another step to adulting life, I guess. So today I will be showing you a room, but first I'm going to show you what this room looks like before.
This is the room before
Now that you've seen the room from before, let me show you the room that I have now. When I enter the door, I will be greeted by these clothes on my side. So I also bought this one so I can put some of my food, my skincare or whatever. And also on the last one is my stock or mga plastic bags and extra soaps and shampoos. So nandun siya sa pinakababa. This is also where I hang the clothes that I'm gonna use for the whole week so that I don't have to think about it. Sometimes I don't do it if I'm lazy for that week, but this is where I put everything plus the essentials or like the jackets and the coats that I need all the time. So yep. Now, sa baba naman are my shoes, heels, and yung mga chinelas na kailangan ko. So now, as I enter, I will be greeted by the mirror on my side as well as my plants. So I also brought this fairy lights here because I love to have dim ambience at night. Back in the Philippines, I always have this kind of fairy lights. So now, for this place to feel like home, for this room for me to feel like home and express my character or personality on it, I for sure have my fairy lights as well. Also have my plants here. This is a photos, a hanging plant. This is given to me by my landlord. Moving into this side is what I call my kitchen or my dining area. I bought this and this one from Facebook Marketplace because I don't want to spend that much on new stuff or new furniture, especially if I know that I am going to move eventually. And also to be more sustainable, a lot of people here have been throwing their furnitures all the time. So what I did is I just brought again this wallpaper from Dollarama. This is in a marble finish and I just put it in this tabletop so it would feel like new to me, and it looks good because it is marble and I love this design. So basically this room is a full window room, so it is very bright, which is why I also have this IKEA curtains with me, a blackout curtain, so whenever I put all this on, the room is so dark, even if it's like in the middle of the afternoon. So I love this purchase. So actually one of the things that I love about this area as well is that when I pull out this curtain, it makes a lot of difference. It makes this space look so bigger and so bright, and I love working in this area because of the sunlight. I feel like I'm in a cafe sometimes because of this one. So this is my desk. Originally, there's like 2 planks here in this radiator, so I used this as a table before, but I decided to remove one so that I could have this big space here to walk around and to be able to pull out the curtains to allow more lights in the room and to have this veranda feel again. So right here on this side are my books and magazines that I have here. This is just a few of some of the books that I have. I tucked it away on the boxes because it's like a lot already. So these are the books that I am currently reading and should read but haven't got into it, some of it yet. And these are the plants that I have as well. I actually got these 2 cactus from IKEA. My friend and I, Angel, went to IKEA before when we were in college, when we were looking for furniture to decorate on the event that we did on our course. Okay, now moving into this side, I have here my coffee machine. I bought this when I moved in here because I love coffee and I also love to drink tea at night, so this is what I use for that. I also have here the things that I might need. Halo-halo na to actually. I have here my candle, but ubos na siya. So I super love this eucalyptus rain from Bath and Body Works, and I just have this inside. So this is a white flower kapag masakit yung ulo ko. And nandiyan na lang siya. Easy to reach. And of course, I have here the flower that my boyfriend gave me before when I moved in here. Dito naman sa baba is just my to-do list or reminder list or whatever if I need to brainstorm something para easy to reach lang yung pagsusulat. Where I put, of course, my laptop, my electronics, and my super cute Himalayan lamp. I super love this Himalayan lamp. I most of the time stare at this lamp at night just for me to, you know, relax or sometimes meditate. I just love looking at it. And even before in the Philippines, I have this lamp, and when I came here, actually I immediately bought one. Now moving into this wall, so I brought this paper before, some printed out some stuff that represents me and some quote that I want to remind myself and words that I want to live by as I course along this new phase of mine. I also just taped it on the wall so it would be an apartment friendly and I can remove it easily. I also have this flowers that my tita gave me when I first came here in Canada. Dried flowers na siya. It used to be a bouquet but then medyo kumakalat na siya. So I just picked some of its branches and it's super cute. It reminds me of how I started and how I first came here in Canada. So yeah. Now moving to the bed. So ito na yun. So Lindsay and I actually installed this wallpaper behind me. I decided to put this wall so that I could have like an accent wall for this room, and I chose gray because I love gray and I want to match it with my curtains. And for my beddings, I brought this from IKEA. All of this, my pillows, and this, I forgot what it's called. Parang siyang comforter, but it's not. Basta yun na yun. So yeah, that's it. I hope that you enjoyed my mini room tour. I also wanted to document this time of my life, this phase of my life, because I really did enjoy my stay here. I love decorating the space. I love transforming it to see the different changes of my taste and my character as well. So yeah, this is my character as of now, the 23 years old Fiona style. I hope that you enjoyed this room tour and see you in the next one. Bye!
Go.